Okay, today we are going to know about the steps in a data science project. So what are the steps in a data science project means? Firstly, we have to understand the business problem. What is the client's problem? So after that one, we have to gather the data. So from various sources, we have to collect the data. After collecting all the data, we have to separate the data, what we needed and what the client asked the question and all. So after reaching the data, after getting the data, proper data, we have to pre-process the data. So pre-processing means we have to clean the data. If the data having any null values, we have to clean it, and then we have to do the data wrangling part, and then we have to encoding the part. So after that one, we have to do the train test split. So the train test split is used for the algorithm check, model checking, whether the model is working correctly and or not. So in the accuracy point of view, it is showing the accuracies. Okay, so after that one, we have to do the modeling. So in the modeling part, we have to apply the algorithms, different algorithms based on the problem and based on that data. So we have to apply the different algorithms. We have to do the hyperparameter tuning also for the data. So after doing the hyperparameter tuning and after doing the modeling part, we have to get the best models. After getting the best model, we have to deploy the data for the front end purpose.